Hello, the amazing D365 community. I am Danica Makatangay, your Miss Dynamic Millennial. What we have for today is in continuation of our previous vlog regarding making or creating your own Open in Excel designer. For today's topic, let us together unbox and navigate the way on how we can modify the fields or columns that are available in Open in Excel template. Let us have as an example our general journal. For us to get the template or to know what the template name is, let us first navigate with General Ledger, Journal Entries, General Journals. From here, let's click Open in Microsoft Office button, and there's list of Open in Excel available, and we know that General Journal line entry is what we need. For us to get the clean template for it without any other details from the journal batch number that we are in, let us navigate Modules, Common, Office Integration, Document Templates. From here, we can take a look from where that journal template is. This is the General Journal line entry with the template name Ledger Journal line entry template. For us to get a copy of this template, we need to download it and save it. And once we have that copy of that template, we can open it. I have here available template that I already modified. I added journal batch number, account, and offset account to display, of course, the journal batch number and the account and offset account to display the main account plus the financial dimension combinations in the general journal line. And once that is done, or once you have modified your design, you can click Publish. For our the amazing D365 community who haven't tried to modify the design of our Open in Excel template, I can share the link of the blog I have, which I discuss on how to modify, how to update the design of our Open in Excel. So again, once we have modified and we know that this is already enough for our client for them to proceed with their works, let's just save this and close the template. And from here as well on the document templates form, let us click the new button. Click the browse button to upload the template. Click open. And we can also specify which is the only company that can make use of this, or which company can access this template. Let us say that only the USMF company is making use of this template. So we click OK. Let's look for that template that we have. From here, we can change the template display name. We have to make sure as well that this list and Open in Excel is enabled. Then we click Save. And now to test whether this USMF General Journal line entry is available, let's go back to our General Ledger Journal Entries General Journals. Once I click this, notice that this is now available on our template, the USMF General Journal line entry. And once I open that, I should see the 3 added columns or the 3 added fields I have earlier. That is all, my dear amazing D365 community. I hope it has been of a help for each and every one of us. Thank you, and God bless us all.